Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, this is cool. Let me just get this up into place. There. Hydraulic jacks in the center, up under the I-beam. And here we go, just turn it up. There we go. Pull out the extension. Okay, here's what we have here. Can you see this from over there? Okay. These are our standard jacking crib. If you notice, it's a wood base, which is 3 pressure-treated 2x6s, side to side, forming a 16 by 24, an 18 by 24 base, 3 8-inch concrete blocks, another layer of wood, 2 8-inch blocks on either side, forming a pocket to put your jack right up under the I-beam. Now, what's great about this configuration of jacking crib is it gives me some stability even when I'm on sand. So whether you're on concrete or you're on sand, you're getting a pad that will give a little bit. I've never cracked a concrete block with all the jacking, even picking this house up 6 inches from its current position, giving the mason room to work and get the sill boards in and everything on this foundation to make it a load-bearing foundation. We also have, another thing here that makes this all possible, is the fact that we set ourselves up with tool kits. So as we jack, we can control the elevation of the entire house very simply by, okay, I've just lifted it up a little bit. Now, our toolkits consist of 1/4-inch steel, 1/8-inch steel, 3 1/2 thick concrete block, a piece of OSB, a 1x6, and a 2x6. What this allows us to do is, let's say we needed to go up an 1/8 inch or a 1/4 inch to keep them all the same. We now have our benchmark established. I'm able to put, nope, 1.5 inches is too thick. 3/4 goes in nice. And where's that 1/4 inch piece? Here it is here, under the block. And here's my 1/4 inch piece right in there. And I'm a little bit short of making the 1/4 inch piece work, so all we do is pump it up a little bit. There it is there. And we've just raised the house up an 1/8 inch. And done. We can now repeat that process across all 12 cradles, jacking cribs throughout the entire project. And in about a day's time, we were able to, 2 men were able to lift this entire house 6 inches up off the foundation.